Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope you all will be fine and taking good care of yourself while staying at home. Dear students, this is going to be your lesson number 8 of English, and today we will do story writing and an application writing. So let's move. Dear students, today we are going to do an application and a story. So let's begin. Dear students, for this lesson, you will need a lead pencil, eraser, highlighter, English practice book, notebook, and a ruler. So dear students, keep all these accessories along with you while taking your lecture. Learning objectives. By the end of this lesson, students will be able to think about story plans, openings, events, and resolutions. Practice application writing skills needed for exam success. Dear students, open your English practice book, page number 79. First of all, you have to write day, date, and today's task. Dear students, today we will do story writing with the help of clues. Dear students, आपको यहाँ पर बॉक्स में क्लूज दिए गए हैं और पिक्चर दी गई है इस पेज पर, जिसकी मदद से आपने स्टोरी राइट करनी है. राइट अ स्टोरी यूजिंग द विजुअल पिक्चर एंड द क्लूज. So clues are here in the box. So with the help of these clues, we will write our story. So let's start. Once a fox was very hungry. He searched for food. He saw a bunch of grapes. His mouth started watering. He wanted to eat the grapes, so he jumped and jumped, but in vain. He could not reach the grapes, so the fox went away saying, "Those grapes are sour anyway." Moral: it's easy to despise what you cannot have. Despise means नफरत करना, हकीर समझना किसी चीज को. Nothing comes easy without a hard work. So work hard and reach your goals. कि मेहनत करें कि कोई भी चीज जो है वो बगैर मेहनत के जो नहीं हासिल होती, इसलिए मेहनत करें और अपनी मंजिल तक पहुंचें. So dear students, this is your story. Dear students, this is your English notebook, which has been already provided to you in the start of your session. So you people have to do your all work on your English notebook. Dear students, this is your English notebook page. First of all, you have to draw the margin lines at the both sides of the page. Then you have to write day, date, and today's task. Title page, topic, application writing, and you can paste or draw pictures like this way. Dear students, first of all you will write today's task on this page, then topic, application for an urgent piece of work. Dear students, before going to start your application, I want to tell you something. कि सबसे पहले आपने एप्लीकेशन स्टार्ट करने से पहले ये बातें जहन में रख लें कि एप्लीकेशन राइट करते हुए आपने पंक्चुएशन मार्क्स का बहुत अच्छे से ध्यान रखना है कि कहाँ पर आपने फुल स्टॉप लगाना है, कहाँ पर कॉमा, और कहाँ पर जो है वो अपोस्ट्रोफी एस यूज होगा, किस साइड से स्टार्ट करना है और किस साइड पे एंडिंग होनी है. These points are very important. So keep in mind all these points. So now we will start our application. 2. The principal, comma. Principal's P should be capital. The educator's kids campus, Sahiwal. After campus, you will put comma, Sahiwal, then full stop. Respected madam, comma. Respectfully, I beg to say that I have an urgent piece of work at home, full stop. So, comma, I cannot come to school, full stop. Kindly grant me leave for one day only, full stop. I shall be very thankful to you, full stop. Yours obediently, comma, X, Y, Z. So dear students, this is your application. Dear students, today we have done English practice book, story writing, The Fox and the Grapes, page number 79 till 80, and an application. In next lesson, we will discuss about essay writing, that is winter season. Tasks to do. Dear students, these are the tasks for you. English practice book, learn and write story, The Fox and the Grapes, page number 79 till 80. Learn and write an application on your English notebook. So dear students, these are the tasks for you. Dear students, here is a fun fact for you, and I hope it will really add up into your knowledge. Things written by a pencil are technically written in stone. Wow, it sounds great. Dear students, I hope you have understood our today's lesson very well. So, see you soon in my next lesson. Till then, Allah Hafiz.